Here's some frigatebird trivia. Subscribe. Which family do frigatebirds belong to? Is it A. Pelecanidae, B. Sphinicidae, C. Fregatetidae, or D. Ardeidae? The correct answer is C. Frigatidae. Which bird is known for its soaring ability? Is it A. Sparrow, B. Ostrich, C. Frigatebird, or D. Penguin? The correct answer is C. Frigatebird. Which ocean is the great frigatebird found in? Is it A. Arctic, B. Atlantic, C. Indian, or D. Pacific? The correct answer is D. Pacific. What unique feature do males display during mating? Is it A. Fluffy tail, B. Inflated throat pouch, C. Nest building, or D. Bright beak? The correct answer is B. Inflated throat pouch. What is the common habitat of the magnificent frigatebird? Is it A. Coastal, B. Desert, C. Forest, or D. Mountain? The correct answer is A. Coastal. During which time do young frigatebirds fledge? Is it A. 1 to 2 years, B. 3 to 6 months, C. 7 to 8 months, or D. 1 to 2 weeks? The correct answer is B. 3 to 6 months. What is the primary color of frigatebird's feathers? Is it A. Light, B. Red, C. Blue, or D. Dark? The correct answer is D. Dark. What is the scientific name of the magnificent frigatebird? Is it A. Frigata ruidosa, Frigata minor, C. Frigata magnificens, or D. Frigata aquila? The correct answer is C. Frigata magnificens. How often do frigatebirds reproduce? Is it A. every other year, B. every 10 years, C. every year, or D. every 3 years? The correct answer is A. every other year. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.